Sir, today they filed nomination for Panchayat. कितने
Huh? Like the usual, like the usual. We have continued this trend. This is the fifth term basically. And the same trend basically is continuing.
So you're willing as unopposed candidate?
No, why is the question unopposed? We want to fight. We want opposition basically. See, what when there is opposition, no, at least we know. Suppose some mistakes we are doing, at least we can pick up from those mistakes. And I believe the biggest room in your house is a room for improvement. So I'm improving. I'm not telling you I'm perfect. We are improving.
So, six of them are just Soljana resolved and
But that, as per the election visiting process, that is a thing what is to happen. Reserve can I reserve करूँगा ना, I reserve करना.
how confident are you will be comfortably winning this time also?
Sorry,
This time you will be comfortably winning the panchayat.
I don't think I have any problem whatsoever. Because the people are with me. That is most important. It is not I am saying that I am winning. People are getting our people elected, so that is important. Our people got us elected. So same way people will get them elected. It is ultimately what is the people's choice.
What are the issues of panchayat that should be done?
See, there is never an end to the issues. There are so many issues. Now, main important issue is the market issue, which is still pending. But we hopefully we will complete it within a year's time. That's one thing which is pending.
So how you will take people as a confidence for you?
See, it is in the see how I will. Sorry, I didn't get you. What you said?
How you will take the people into your confidence?
I have confidence in the people. That people have got confidence in me. So that's the way. So that's how they show you when voting takes place.
Madam, what do you have to say regarding your Talegaon Panchayat elections?
Like Babu said, I don't think we should have a problem. Apart from people having faith in us and we delivering work, we also have a very good team of punch members. A few have been repeated this year, but I'm sure the new ones also will be on par with the ones who have already been there. So I think my punch members who are there are on call 24/7. They don't say no to anyone at any time. So their people are free to call them at any time for delivery of services or whatever they need. So I have faith in the people and in all my punch members. They have done an excellent job, and I think they will continue to do so.
So still now the opposition, no opponents are there still for you. So how?
So I'm not aware of that. I'm not aware of what is happening with the opposition. We are just concentrating on our work.
See, we want opposition basically to come forward. Talking behind the back is useless. You must come forward and basically contest elections. Then only, see, it is a power of people. I have been hearing some news reports sometime back. Someone gave some statement that there is some fear in Talegaon and all those things. Something is being going on. Now, first and foremost, I don't. There's no booth rigging here. That I take the booth and run away at home, and then I'll get our people basically elected. See, it is ultimately the people who get you elected. See, voting is one thing. Now, say this lady is there. She comes and tells me I'm going to vote for you. It is God knows, and she knows whom she'll vote at last. So if you go to see, there will be if there are 20,000 people, 20,000 people will say that we support you. But when election comes, maybe 12,000 votes you get. Those people may be voting somewhere else. So it is nothing like that. See, it is a democracy. So I believe, Waterman, an election is the process, basically how this democracy stays alive.
So you still welcome the opposition?
No. I am just saying we need. If someone has really got some issues, they definitely should come to the to contest elections and come to the people. Now let people basically judge. No, people should judge whether we are doing work or we are not doing work. We are good to people or we are bad to people. That people will judge. And election is the best. What are the processes is there? Election is the best process, where basically you can say that a majority wins ultimately.
So this will sixth time you are going to sweep the panel.
See, I am everything is the people. The people should vote. If people vote, then everything should be okay. And I have got confidence in the people of Talegaon.
दत्ता प्रसाद ने चार्ज केला की तुम्ही वॉर्ड भी चेंज करता है त्याला मग डिफिकल्ट होता
वॉर्ड चेंज करून हांव कोण इलेक्शन कमिशन आनी वॉर्ड चेंज करपाक कितें डिफरन्स कितें जाता वॉट एवर डिफरन्स वॉर्ड चेंज केलेले आसतले तेणी त्या 5-10 वर्सांनी ते केन्ना पावरार आसतले पावरान आमी नेवर मिसयूज पावर. Let anyone say in my constituency, I can tell you here, that for the past, from 2002, I have been contesting. I have been having so many oppositions. Let one opposition say that I have been harassed by Babu. One fellow. You get me? Only one. Okay, two fellows also I am not. One fellow. Because I always believe election is what is it? Election is everyone has got basically right to choose his candidate. And election is a thing that now you feel you are contesting or you are supporting someone else. You feel that your fellow will win. Ultimately, if he doesn't win, so ultimately you are elected by the people for the development of the full place and of the people. So you cannot basically judge by this fellow is fellow. And I don't basically my ears are not that big where anyone can come and tell me this fellow. Let anyone also tell you other thing that I distinguished anyone in this past 25 years, saying that you are not from my party, you supported that fellow, you supported this fellow. I never do that. That's never a part of it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.